Insurance rates are stabilizing, with some companies expected to drop rates this year. The governor credits the state's legislative overhaul of the insurance industry.
I think we have the right to insist that Citizens is doing all it can to bring relief to its customers. They weren't in a position to do that, admittedly, a couple years ago. I mean, we were in a much more difficult environment. But since these reforms have really stabilized things, man, pass on the savings to these folks.
Citizens is the state-backed insurer of last resort. Florida's insurance commissioner says more competition means more options and lower premiums.
Homeowners here, though, are still paying some of the highest rates in the country. Reporter Dave Elias, who covers the insurance industry, explains what it means for your wallet this year.
For years, Florida homeowners faced a perfect storm: hurricanes, lawsuits, and insurance companies leaving the state. In fact, at one point, more than 1 million policyholders were actually pushed into the state-run Citizens. That's Florida's insurer of last resort. Rates spiked and options disappeared. But as we move into 2026, state leaders say the market is turning a corner.
After Ian, the rates just went out of control.
Lawmakers cracked down on fraud, limiting costly lawsuits, making Florida more attractive for insurers. The result? More companies are now writing policies.
It was so scary because you hear stories of people that, do they pay their insurance or did they get their medicines?
But rate increases are slowing. In fact, 6 companies announced they're cutting rates, some as much as 11%. A welcome for retirees like Marianne Almeida and her husband Bob.
We're on a fixed income. You know, we're both retired, and it's scary because you don't know what tomorrow's going to bring.
We're heading into 2026 with a positive note.
Insurance agent Doug Nellens predicts even more rate decreases in the coming year.
It puts pressure on the other carriers to follow suit and file rate decreases of their own.
And Citizens Insurance is shrinking from 1.4 million customers in 2023, now down to just over 396,000.
Now is a great time to shop the market because companies are wide open for business.
However, Florida still has some of the highest home insurance costs in the nation.
There's still plenty of room for improvement.
Paying on average nearly $5,000 a year. Older homes, including modulars and coastal properties, paying even more. Marianne urging lawmakers now to do more.
If they could just go 1 month on what we get from Social Security, I guarantee things would change.
So while 2026 brings more stability, experts say it's a reset, not a rollback. Now, an important note, even with some relief, experts say that Florida homeowners should not expect premiums to drop back to pre-pandemic levels anytime soon. Lawmakers say the goal now is stability while watching how this year's hurricane season impacts rates going forward. Dave Elias, Gulf Coast News.